Hey guys, this is Arna Gamer here, and now this isn't really this is a different setup, but I'm gonna change my setup in a minute. But anyways, I just want to say, finally I'm back home, and yeah. So today, we will be doing oh, I know. Okay, you're gonna think these things are adorable. In my opinion, I think they are. What the hell is that? Wait, what? It looks like there's something on my TV. I'll just put it on for you guys right now. Sorry about that intro, guys. But today, this is the weathercast news in Scotland. Now, the weather is, in Scotland, I've been out there and it's been quite windy. We're going to tell you more right now, though. Oh my god, guys, you see this? What the hell? Okay, so, right now it is 5 degrees right now in Scotland. Whoa, and it's really windy. It's even pushing me. Whoa, I'm getting pushed. Whoa! Okay, bye, weatherman. Anyways, so today I have squishies. Yeah, squishies. One's called Squirtle, and one's called Rex. I just made this up. So what you can make with these are so squishy. I just like to hug them because they're so good. Like, they're just really, really, really nice to hug. Like, look at them. They're adorable. Wouldn't you think? Yeah. Wouldn't you think? But, like, this one's a bit angry. But wouldn't you think they're adorable like they are? Ew. Hi, I am Squirtle. Nice to meet you. Goo goo gaga goo goo. Oh hi, I am Rex. Nice to meet you. Roar. See, told you these things were cute, guys. Look, just look at them. Look at them. Come on, they are adorable. Come on, you could say that. Let's cuddle them. Look, they like it. I want hugs. I want hugs now. Aw, Aaron is the most softest thing I've ever hugged. Except from a titty. Bye. See you next time. Next video. It's gonna be great. So stay tuned. Bye, everyone.